Sinusubukan muling tumakbo sa halalan ng Pilipinong si Linnea Lofstrom Avery matapos hindi magwagi noong Ontario Provincial Elections sa Don Valley West. Katapat niya ngayon ang incumbent Member of Parliament na mahigit 10 taon na sa pwesto. Narito ang report ni Kisha Balatbat.
More Filipino people in government would not only make sure that our community is heard, but also we have ideas that we can and will share with others that will benefit not only us, but the whole country and all of our communities.
Hindi man nagwagi noong provincial elections, sumusubok muling mahalal ang Pilipinong si Linnea Lofstrom Avery, pero ngayon para naman sa pagiging Member of Parliament ng Canada.
And I also think that my provincial campaign gained quite a lot of momentum, so I'm hoping to keep riding that and talk to more voters and get more people involved.
Aniya, sa kanyang pag-iikot sa komunidad, naririnig niya na ang pinaka-ikinababahala ng mga residente ay ang issue sa affordability at US tariff.
That's why the NDP would implement policies like a cap on everyday essential prices, like removing GST on things like food and groceries and home heating bills, so that people can make sure that they feel that their work is enough and that hardworking folks don't feel like they still have to scrape to make ends meet.
Ito rin daw ang mga issue na naririnig ng Liberal Party candidate na si Rob Oliphant na kasulukuyang Member of Parliament ng riding. Mahigit 10 taon na siyang kinatawan ng Don Valley West at aniya, hindi siya nagsasawa sa pagtulong sa komunidad.
It's a very much a very diverse riding. The northern part of the riding has a fair amount of wealth and established people. The southern part of the riding has many newcomers, South Asian, Filipino, African. And so the south of the riding demands more of my attention, and I spend more of my time in the south part of the riding. When I'm knocking on doors, the issues are a lot of affordability. They're about employment, and they're about caregivers. They're about making sure that people have foreign credentials recognized and about the cost of living generally, including housing.
Katulad ni Lofstrom Avery, ang Green Party candidate ng Don Valley West na si Sheena Sharp, tumakbo rin noong Ontario elections at ngayon sumusubok mahalal sa federal election. Aniya, mahalaga sa kanya ang pagkonekta sa komunidad at pagpapatupad ng climate action.
The Green Party has a very small presence in Don Valley West. But I do get to go to debates and I do get to talk to people at doors. And I think that's very rewarding because it does, it makes me feel less crazy. It makes me feel like here's like I can I can have real discussions with people and about climate action when there's so much disinformation.
Ang isa pang kandidato sa riding na ito ay si Rob Pierce ng Conservative Party. Sa kanyang pahayag sa Omni News, sinusuportahan daw niya ang mga pangako ni Conservative Party leader Pierre Poilievre. Kabilang dito, ang pagbaba ng lowest income tax bracket mula 15 hanggang 12.75%, pagpalawak ng tax-free savings accounts ng 5,000 kung mapupunta ang pera sa mga Canadian companies, at pagtanggal ng federal GST sa mga bagong bahay na may halaga ng up to $1.3 million na anilay makakatipid ng up to $65,000 sa mga home buyer. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.